Hey everyone, it's your name here with Intellius, and today we're going to chill and chat about artificial intelligence. You hear AI mentioned all the time, but have you ever wondered how these systems actually learn? The magic ingredient is data annotation and labeling, the fuel that powers AI. Think of it like this. AI models are like students and data is their textbook. But raw data is messy. It's like handing someone a textbook in a language they don't understand. That's where data annotation comes in. It's like translating that textbook into something the AI can actually learn from. Whether you're an aspiring AI enthusiast or just curious about the tech that's shaping our world, understanding data annotation is key. So stick around as we break down everything you need to know about this essential process. Trust me, it's way more interesting than it sounds. Alright, let's start with the basics. What exactly is data annotation and labeling? Simply put, it's the process of adding tags or labels to raw data, making it understandable for machines. Imagine you're teaching an AI to recognize cats in pictures. You'd need to feed it tons of images and label each one. Cat, not a cat. That's data annotation in action. This labeled data becomes the training material for AI algorithms, helping them learn patterns, make predictions, and essentially become smarter. Without accurate and clearly labeled data, even the most advanced AI model is basically useless. It's like trying to bake a cake without following a recipe. You might end up with something, but it probably won't be pretty. So, data annotation and labeling are the foundation upon which all AI learning is built. It's the crucial first step in turning raw data into actionable insights. Now let's zoom in on a specific type of data annotation called segmentation. Imagine looking at a picture and outlining every object in it. That's segmentation. In the world of AI, segmentation is like giving machines X-ray vision. It's used in self-driving cars to identify pedestrians, road signs, and other vehicles in real time. It's how your phone's camera can blur the background or even replace it entirely. But here's the thing about segmentation. It relies heavily on precise data labeling. If the labels are off, even by a little bit, the AI's understanding of the image will be flawed. Accurate labeling in segmentation is like giving the AI a high-definition map instead of a blurry, hand-drawn sketch. The difference in performance is huge. Just like there are different ways to organize your music library, there are different ways to label data for AI. Let's break down some of the most common types. First up, categorical labels. These are like tags you'd use to categorize your photos. Family, vacation, food, you get the idea. It's a simple but powerful way to classify data. Then we have numerical labels, which are exactly what they sound like, using numbers to represent values. Think of things like age, temperature, or even the score you'd give a movie. And finally, we have text labels, which involve, well, text. This is used for things like sentiment analysis, where you're trying to understand the emotion behind a piece of text. Each type of label serves a different purpose, and choosing the right one is crucial for training your AI model effectively. It's all about giving the AI the right information in the right format. Data annotation can seem daunting, but thankfully there are tons of tools out there to make the process smoother. It's like having the right apps on your phone. They just make life easier. One popular option is Labelbox, a powerful platform that's like the Swiss Army knife of data annotation. It handles images, videos, text, you name it. Then there's Supervisely, which is known for its collaborative features. It's like Google Docs for data annotation. Multiple people can work on the same project at the same time. And for those just starting out, VGG Image Annotator is a great free option. It's user-friendly and perfect for getting your feet wet with image annotation. The best tool for you will depend on your specific needs and the type of data you're working with. But hey, the good news is, you don't have to do it all manually anymore. Data labeling might seem straightforward, but just like any skill, there are best practices that can make a world of difference. Think of it like leveling up your annotation game. First and foremost, consistency is key. You want to make sure your labels are clear, concise, and used consistently throughout the dataset. Accuracy is obviously crucial too. A single mislabeled data point can throw off your entire model, so it's important to be precise. And finally, using a clear labeling guide is like having a rulebook for your annotation team. It ensures everyone's on the same page and helps maintain consistency across the board. By following these best practices, you're setting your AI model up for success from the very beginning. Let's be real, data labeling isn't always a walk in the park. It comes with its own set of challenges, kind of like navigating a tricky obstacle course. One of the biggest hurdles is time. Labeling data can be incredibly time-consuming, especially for large data sets. It's like watching paint dry, but for AI. Then there's the issue of human error. We're all human, which means we all make mistakes. And even small errors can have a big impact on AI training. And sometimes you need specialized knowledge to label data accurately. For example, if you're training an AI to diagnose medical images, you'll need input from actual doctors. But hey, don't let these challenges discourage you. There are ways to overcome them, from using automation tools to outsourcing tasks to experts. It's all about finding the right approach for your project. Imagine you're learning a new skill. You wouldn't just practice blindly, right? You'd want feedback to know what you're doing well and where you need to improve. The same goes for AI. A feedback loop in AI training is all about constantly evaluating the model's performance and using that information to make it even better. It's like having a coach for your AI model, constantly pushing it to learn and grow. This feedback loop is crucial for catching errors, refining the model's understanding, and ultimately achieving higher accuracy. So, remember, training an AI model isn't a one-time thing. It's an ongoing process of learning and improvement. Now, for those of you who are intrigued by the world of data annotation, you might be wondering, how can I get involved? Well, you're in luck, because there are tons of opportunities out there. Websites like Amazon Mechanical Turk, or MTurk for short, are like online marketplaces for small tasks, including data annotation. It's a great way to dip your toes into the water and earn some extra cash. Then there are specialized platforms like Appin and Lionbridge that connect businesses with data annotators from around the world. These platforms offer a variety of tasks from labeling images to transcribing audio, and they can be a great way to gain experience and build your skills in this growing field. So, whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time career change, data annotation could be the perfect fit. That was a deep dive into the world of data annotation and labeling, and as you can see, it's way more than just tagging images. It's the foundation of the entire AI revolution. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with your friends who are curious about AI. Let's spread the knowledge. And as always, drop your questions and thoughts in the comments below. I'm always down to geek out about AI. Until next time.